there it is. That earth strap in place. Oh, excuse me, I got hiccups. Powder coated, but does that matter? No. Get a good ground there, a good ground here, and that's one of many. I'm sorry, there's probably only going to be one more. I'm not sure yet where, but I'm going to add another ground wire, which I will have to make up because I don't know where I'm going to do it from and to. Okay, what else can I show you under here? Sorry, I'm going to take you for a bit of a walk here and try not to hurt you. I have bled the clutch, I think. I need to get my wife and ask her to push on the pedal. I want to see if this fucker moves. I won't put money on it. I really won't. Why? I just don't feel that it's going to move. But we will see. That's something I will get her to do. What else are we doing under here? Nothing. The exhaust next week. And if it doesn't work with my wife, I'll get my brother to help me. I'm sure my wife would love to help me do this. In fact, I can put money on it. I'm going to tighten up the mount bolts now. They are a 3/4. They're not easy to get to. There's one there. Obviously, there's one there. This side, I got the bloody alternator in the way. Who put that alternator in there? Oh well, never mind. And this side, not much in the way, but it's getting my hands up there to do it. I'll be back. Yep, it's time to move on and get this fan onto the condenser. Now, this fan goes in 2 directions, and it's up to you to choose. Obviously, I do not want this fan to suck in more ways than one. I want it to blow. Ooh, there's a thought. So you have to figure out which way to do the connections. There are 2 connections. Now I have my little magic snap-on box here, and I've connected it up, and there is a blue wire and a black wire. I have connected my black connection to the blue wire and my red connection to the black wire. So let's see what happens when I switch it on. That is blowing air this way. That is not what I want. So I will sort my connections, and I will put my positive connection on the blue wire and my negative connection on the black wire. Now let's see what it does. It sucks. Now yeah, obviously I'm getting a little blow this way, but just to prove to myself that I'm not going stupid, and I am stupid. There you go. Look at that. Lovely.
Hang on, he said. It's blowing out this way. Sorry, folks. This is Houston. Just goes to show you shouldn't listen to me. Oh, excuse me. So, with the black connected to the blue, it blows. With the red connected to the blue, it sucks. Let me just prove it to myself one more time. Yeah, that's a definite blow job. Okay. Yeah, and that's a definite suck job. And I've never understood that terminology. Why is it called a blow job when it's really a suck job? Answer me that if you can. All right, so that has dictated or told me I need to... Sorry. Right, I need to connect it so that the positive goes to the black wire. This is the you American people, you've got to ask about face. Red is hot and that's positive. Black is not and it's negative. But no. There you go. That's the way round I want it. So I will be connecting the positive to the black wire and the negative to the blue wire. You guys really do mess with shit. Okay, there you go. I think that might be it for today's video. What else was there to include? Probably not much. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon here. I really do need to get this shit out there. So, come on, guys. Oh! No, you saw it already. I did get my wife to test the clutch. And as you know, it works perfectly. Couldn't have done it without the wife. But don't tell her I said that, otherwise she'll think she's important. Which of course she is. Shh, no, shh, no, shh. Okay, just to let you guys know, this is the kit I used to bleed the clutch by myself. Now, I am going to try this on the brakes, for which you know I have been having a problem. It's just a vacuum pump with a little reservoir, connection, and a few pipes. It works wonderfully. Now, I'll stick my finger over the end and have a wank. And you can see it's got a pressure. Then I would get the pressure up and release the bleed nipple, and the pressure that was there, whatever it was that I corrected, whatever I'd created, geez, then it would suck at that level. Not quite that fast. And fluid would come in here. Now, initially, I got no fluid. I got nothing. Absolutely zero. But I persisted, because I'm a persistent little bugger. And then it managed to suck trickles of fluid through. and then eventually it would suck a lot of fluid through. And don't forget, I'd also put PTFE, I think it's called PTFE, tape on the threads of the bleed nipple, so I wasn't sucking air through there. And I succeeded to bleed the clutch. And as you previously saw, my wife proved it. There you go. Now go out in that garage and do some shit. Because you've been sitting on the sofa watching my videos instead of working. What's the matter with you? Nothing. Just keep watching my videos. Like, comment, subscribe, ding the dong, give it a thumbs up. You know, all the usual shit.